Out of 50, our next question is fourth question. So that one is one of the passive elements like a resistance. Okay, resistance means which opposes the flow of current is called as a resistance. Units for resistance is ohms, and the symbol of resistance given here you remember, and the formula for resistance is rho L by A. So according to material, according to Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I, but according to material, R is equal to rho L by A. So here resistance, R is equal to resistance, and rho is a permittivity, and L is length of the conducting material, A is equal to cross sectional area of the material. So this is the resistance. Not only short answers and also long answers also you will get at least minimum 1 or 2 long answers. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.